Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is Eagle Creek's Expanse Wheel Duffel. With top-notch security features and a book-style opening, this bag is a great choice for those looking to maximize their packing space. It comes in an international carry-on at 34 liters, a domestic carry-on size at 38 liters, a 30-inch 100-liter size bag, and then the jumbo at 34 inches, 135 liters. Now let's take a look at the carry-on, starting with the inside. Now on the carry-ons, there's a nice padded sleeve right here that fits a 17-inch laptop. And then inside, we've got some compression straps, which are great for keeping everything in its place. Now, though this bag doesn't come with Eagle Creek's packing organizers, we love our organization and so have designed this bag to perfectly fit 5 different pieces. It fits the medium-sized folder, a shoe sack to keep all of the dirt on your shoes and not on your clothes, a medium-sized cube, and 2 small cubes. And ta-da! Using Packet helps you know exactly where everything is. This bag has number 10 lockable zippers that are also self-repairing. These are great because if you need a little bit more protection for your stuff, simply attach a TSA approved lock. Now we've got the compression straps also, which serve as great lash points. And we've applied this anti-scuff armor down here, which provides some more abrasion resistance. And have also applied fabric blocking, which is gonna hide any kind of stains and scuffs. The bag has treaded wheels for multi-terrain maneuverability and heavy-duty wheel housing and bumper protection. And a handle system that extends 42 inches and is protected by the handle tray. There's a grab handle on the top, got one on the bottom, and there's another on the side. Covered by the no matter what warranty, the Expanse Wheel Duffel is a great all-purpose bag for the everyday explorer.